This faceless channel gets millions of views by making really straightforward YouTube and TikTok shorts. They use AI to whip up these videos and have a massive fan base that loves their content. Most of their clips hit the millions in views, and here's one of their standout videos.
All hands, hoist the colors high.
We'll be using 3 AI tools along with CapCut to create these videos quickly and for free. It's super simple, and after you check out this video, you'll definitely want to kick off your own faceless channel. As you can see, our competitors are scoring millions of views with these easy-to-make videos. The main stars are animals that relate into all sorts of things, like countries as warriors, countries as horror characters, and countries as mythical creatures, all crafted by AI. To get started, our main tool is ChatGPT. This setup is perfect for what we need. We'll create a table that sorts everything by topic, country, and the prompt for generating images. Let me break it down for you. We'll list the number of prompts, the topics, and specify the format, language, and tone. Plus, we'll include some examples for ChatGPT to reference. I will include this prompt in the video description. Once we input this into ChatGPT, the AI will provide us with organized results in a table format. The first column will have the topic, the second will list the countries, and the third will contain the prompts for image generation. It's super straightforward, and we'll use this to create images with our next tool, Leonardo AI. When you launch Leonardo AI, this is what you'll see on your screen. Just hit the image creation button and it'll take you to the spot where you can whip up some images. First, switch the model to Leonardo Diffusion XL and adjust the aspect ratio to 9:16 on the left side. Now you're all set to start generating images. Next, head back to ChatGPT. Copy the prompt and paste it into the box. Click Generate and you'll have your images in no time. After that, return to ChatGPT. Grab the prompt for the next country, paste it here, and create images for that one too. Keep doing this for all 10 countries. If you feel like switching topics from countries to something else for your next videos, just type, "Give me another topic," and ChatGPT will suggest a new topic along with prompts. For now, it just gave me this one. This way, you'll always have a bunch of different topics and prompts to explore. Once we finish creating the images, we'll download the best ones. Then, we'll head over to Pixabay to grab the flag of each country. Since those images are royalty-free, you won't run into any copyright problems. So, make sure to download the flags. Now it's time to transform our still images into a video. For that, we'll use our next tool, Kling AI. If you're not familiar with Kling AI, it's a tool that converts your still images into a video. After clicking the first link below this video, you'll be taken to a page where you can set up a free account. When you log into Kling AI, the first thing you'll notice is the interface. Just head over to AI Videos. Start by choosing the Image to Video option and drop your image right here. I can create a video from that image. But hold on, that's not enough for posting on YouTube or TikTok. We need to combine all the videos and flags into a single video. So let's open the CapCut app and import all the files we downloaded earlier. First, we'll add all the videos we created before and adjust the aspect ratio to 9:16. Then, we'll add transitions between the clips, and the best one for these is the floodlight transition, which you can find under the transition section. Just drag it in between each clip. Next up, we'll add an effect. Head over to the effects and drag the shake effect onto the timeline, placing it at the end of each video, right where the transition finishes. Finally, we'll add some text. Start by dragging the default text onto the timeline. Click on the text and choose your font from the right corner. Change the color and add an outline to it. Next, head over to Animations. Select the spring animation for the in effect and choose Fade Out for the out effect. Copy and paste the text above each clip, just swapping out the country names. Now let's add the flags. Simply drag them onto the timeline, resize them, and position them nicely next to the text. Click on each flag, go to Animations, and apply the shake and fade out effects. Do this for all the flags. Finally, let's add some music. I found a track called Epic Hip Hop on Pixabay that would really spice things up. Add that to your video, and I also included a sound effect called Monster Roar from Pixabay. Just be creative and make your video stand out. Now it's time to download the video and enjoy it together. So if you want to learn more about these kind of cool money-making videos, please hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a great week.